Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear students? Hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Dear students, I also hope you are enjoying the classes from different online media, Samsung televisions, cable TV, and different Facebook pages. Dear learners, like before, today I have presented in front of you to take another class. I hope you have prepared yourselves to take my class. I am Muhammad Mohsin Mia, Assistant Head Teacher, Kheriyor Adarsho High School, Shahrasti, Chatpur, is going to conduct a class with you. Before going to our main topics, at first I would like to show you a video. At first you enjoy a video, then we will go our main topics. Okay, let's start. Dear learners, what have you seen and understood by the video? Okay, I think that you have already imagined what am I going to discuss with you. Okay, today I am going to discuss with you about a topics. This is changing pastime. Unit 2, lesson 3, English for today, classes 9 and 10. Dear learners, open your book and prepare yourself to write down what informations now you are going to get. After the end of the lessons, you will be able to read and find out point from the text, tell about the traditional pastimes, participate in conversation, discussion, infer the meaning of the new words, write paragraph narrating about all pastime. Okay, dear learners, at first I would like to discuss with you about the text, and I also want to find out some information from the text. Then I shall read out the passage so that you can understand clearly and elaborately. Okay, dear learners, all pastime of the children. Once the children only engaged in spending their pastimes in different types of village game. That's why itching bitching, memory checking, kanamachi, and another type of itching bitching. Dear learners, you know that those are our traditional pastimes. Our children, even when we are in when we are in child, we also spend our times by playing these types of games. Okay, and another types of pastimes what our children like to play more, but nowadays it is about to out of date. You look at the screen, you also see that here another type of pastimes. First one is this is Bochi, and second one is this is marriage gate, and third one is this is king catching. Okay, when we recall our childhood, we also enjoy very much in our mind, and we recall our boyhood that we stayed most of the times playing our outdoor games. Okay, and children played in school and home before those types of games. Okay, and young people's game. Young people's game, these are one is kabaddi and another is lathi. Game is our national game, and this is also our traditional game. People played kabaddi and lathi in the past and spend their time such a way. Okay, when they got the free time after completing their work in fields or in their paddy lands, they spent their time playing kabaddi and lathi in their own village. But today, that those types of games are about to out of date. Okay, children's joyous. Children like to play gulla chut. I think that age boys and girls out of 10, they engage themselves or they participate in gulla chut. Going to school, after school, the children participate in gulla chut, and children also have some joyous habit. These are feeding the animals. Nowadays, this type of joyous also are exist in our country. And another is football. Football is very popular game in our country. The children, the young people, any type of people, they like to play football. Okay, gulla chut and football, feeding animals or birds were the most joyous pastime for the children. One's most favorite games of the boys and girls. This is daisy chain. Okay, the students, when the students went to school, they went to our favorite place, cash ball, and they like to play daisy chains. And another types of very much popular game for the children, climbing up tree and plucking flowers, plucking the leaves and fruits, etc. After all, the children's most favorite pastimes was climbing up the trees. I think that about 8 children out of 10, they were engaged themselves in spending pastimes climbing up the trees. It was very popular. Now they are declined. Now children are not engaged in spending their time with those types of game. It is replaced in mobile game and watching television. 4 out of 5 boys climbed up trees, and the same number of girls made daisy chains. Okay, I have already mentioned that 8 out of 10. Okay, at a same digit, 4 out of 5 boys. Dear learners, now I am going to mention or I am going to show you some very much popular games which are played as spending their pastimes in the villages. Number 1, you can look here, this is playing Ludo. When it was raining, the children got together in one rooms from here and there from the different houses, and they also spend their time playing Ludo. And another, this is cockfight. This also are running in our country when we see that our cultural program are holding in the schools. The little boys, they also take part in cockfight. It is very popular game for the children, especially for the school children. And this is playing kabaddi. This is our national game, and our young people they liked very much to play kabaddi. But now I cannot imagine that it is our very much popular game. It is about to decline. Okay, and this is playing chess. Our school and college students, when they got leisure period, they sit together and they spend their time playing chess. Okay, that's why the most popular games for the village people of home and abroad. Okay, dear learners, when children were in school, they like to play those types of game. They are volleyball and they are Doritana. Are you familiar with the game Doritana? It is very amusement and it is very joyful game. To such the people, same number of students or kids, they caught the dhori, and they also pulled who can be win by pulling the dhori. This is called Doritana. Okay, school children took part in different games when they were free from class hour. Dear learners, now I am going to discuss with you pastimes has been completely changed. We cannot imagine for our previous pastimes. Now already I have discussed with you about some pastimes which were existed and which were running in our rural Bangla, but totally this types of pastimes has been replaced, and it is I can mention that it is no longer. Now another types of pastimes has been added to our children. If I can mention here that cricket has been replaced, football has been replaced into cricket, and Ludo or Gulla Chut, Doritana, Kanamachi, daisy chains, cockfight, etc. Different types of games have been replaced into playing game in computer and playing game in different types of online media. Okay, now outdoor games have replaced into cricket and indoor ones like watching TV and computer game. I think if 10 students enjoyed, or if 10 students spent their free time playing outdoor games, now I think that the same number of children or same number of students, they spent their time taking part in online game, mobile game, and watching television. Dear learners, now I am going to read out the passage about change in pastime. Then I shall ask you some questions based on the topics. Dear learners, open your book. Childhood outdoor pastimes in decline. Traditional childhood pastimes of climbing trees and playing conchars are in decline. According to survey by the RSPB, Royal Society for the Protection of Birds, It's a charitable organization registered in England and Wales. The survey shows that people under 34 recalls far fewer such childhood outdoor experiences than their counterpart over 55, according to a survey by RSPB. People were asked which of 12 outdoor experiences they could remember during their childhood. The answer included making dance, daisy chains, climbing up trees, playing conchers, and feeding birds. 4 out of 5 boys climbed trees and same number of girls made daisy chains. But the survey showed the numbers declining among the newer generations. Some 15% more of those aged over 55 had these outdoor experiences in their childhood, compared with those between 15 to 34 years old. Some 90% of the public agreed that experience of nature were still important to children, and 82% agreed that schools should play a role in providing them to all children. The survey has highlighted the positive impact of conduct with nature on a child's education, health, well-being, and social skills. At the same time, there has been a decline in these opportunities, with negative consequences of children, families, and society, a condition now known as nature deficit disorder. Mike Clark, Chief Executive of the RSPB, will meet Parliament members on Thursday to urge the government to join other organizations in providing children with first-hand experiences of the natural environment. We believe these guidelines should include the many positive impacts to children of having contact with nature and learning outside the classroom. Okay, dear learners, we have already read out the passage. We have got some information according to the survey RSPB. From the passage, we can get information that the children, once they were spent their leisure time and their free time playing different types of outdoor games, and it was very delightful for them. Their merit and their minds were spacious and elaborate, developed. But now they are, because dear learners, I have already read out the passage. I think that you have faced some unknown words. Now I am going to solve, or I am going to tell the meaning of unknown words. Okay, consequence. Now look at the screen. 3 men, they are cutting the branch of the tree. What will be their consequence? Okay, this is consequence. If you don't take in a class, going to school, what will be your consequence? Okay, now can you tell me what is the meaning of consequence? Okay, consequence, this is a result or outcome. Okay, এটা বাংলাতে বলে পরিণতি অথবা ফলাফল. Okay, can you make a sentence with the word consequence? Yes, this is the consequence of cutting the branch of the tree will be death. Okay, dear learners, you will make another sentence by the word consequence and write down in your own kata. Another is decline. This is the picture of decline. Okay, once it was very high, now day by day it is becoming lower. Okay, That means decrease or downfall. Decrease or downfall মানে কমতে থাকা. Okay, can you make a sentence with the word decline? Dear learners, you will try to make sentences with the words, but because of taking the classes by online media, there is no opportunity to give you a chance to make sentences yourself. For this reason, I am showing you the sentences in the screen, but you will try. Okay, then you will match your answers with my mind. Actually, you don't need to match your answers with mine, because making sentence with the words, it is freedom for you. You can make sentence as you wish. The previous past time is now in decline. Another is urge. Another is urge. The people are urging the hairs to work fast. This is urge. That means inspiration, inspire. Okay, অনুপ্রাণিত করা, urge. Make a sentence with the word urge. The teacher urges us to read more. The teacher urges the students to read more. The teachers urge the students to watch classes from online media. Okay, etc. Impact. This is impact. This is impact. That means influence. Impact মানে প্রভাব. Okay, now make a sentence with the word impact. Everything has a positive and negative impact. If you hit others, it will be an impact, and if you love or affection others, it will be an impact. Okay, have you understood what is the meaning of impact? Okay, dear students, now I am giving here some information about the topics based on change in past tense. That means which past times were enjoyed by our children once, now they are declined and they are replaced into another type of past tense. Those information here I have given here. Your task is, you will write an article based on this information. Then you will show it to your classmates or class friends, and your class friends also will write an article and he will show you. Okay, you will exchange your writing with each other among your classmates. Okay, আমি একটু বাংলাতে বলি দিই। এই যে ইনফরমেশন আমিগুলো, ফার্স্ট ওয়ান ইজ 34 recalls for your such childhood outdoor experiences then their counterparts over 55. এই এখানে আমি যে 6টা ইনফরমেশন দিয়েছি এই বক্সের মাধ্যমে। তোমাদের কাজ হচ্ছে তোমরা এই ইনফরমেশনগুলোকে ভিত্তি করে তোমরা একটা আর্টিকেল লিখবে, আর সেই আর্টিকেলটা তুমি তোমার ক্লাসমেট বন্ধুকে দেখাবে এবং তোমার বন্ধু একটা লিখে তোমাকে দেখাবে। তোমরা একে অপরের সাথে তোমাদের অভিজ্ঞতাটা, তোমার লেখাটাকে তোমরা শেয়ার করবে এবং কারটা তোমার দৃষ্টিতে তোমারটা কেমন হলো, ওরটা কেমন হলো, এরকম তোমরা ভাগাভাগি করে নেবে। ইট ইজ ইউর ফাংশন ফ্রম দিস স্লাইডস। ওকে, dear students, do you agree that children may have better impact on them if they have more contacts with nature? Make a list of the benefits or harms they may have if taken to nature frequently. Okay, it is your pair work. Now I think that you will not get any partner. If you try by phonic conversation, you may get partner, then you will do this work. Okay, এটা তোমরা আমি একটু বুঝিয়ে দিই। মনে করো যদি শিশুরা প্রকৃতির সংস্পর্শে আসে তাহলে তাদের উপরে একটা পজিটিভ প্রভাব পড়বে, এটা কি তুমি মনে করলে তাহলে কেমন কেমন প্রভাব পড়বে প্রকৃতির সংস্পর্শে আসলে, অথবা না থাকলে কি প্রভাব পড়বে, এরকম একটা এই তোমরা শুধুমাত্র চার্ট লিখবে, ইনফরমেশন শুধু লিখবে, সংক্ষিপ্ত ইনফরমেশন। যেমন ইফ দ্য চিলড্রেন আর ইন কন্ডাক্টেড ইন নেচার দ্য পজিটিভ ইম্প্যাক্টস আর নাম্বার 1, এটা লেখলা যে জয়াস, মানে চারের জয়াস হবে তারা, তাই না? মাইন্ড উইল বি ডেভেলপড, এরকম ভাবে তোমরা শুধুমাত্র পয়েন্ট লিখবা। ওকে, I think that you will do it with sincerely and honestly. Okay, dear learners, in every class I try to give you some lessons about grammar test based on the topics. That means তোমাদের এই টপিক্সে কোন গ্রামারটা বেশি আলোচনা করেছি সেই গ্রামার টপিক্সটা নিয়ে আমি তোমাদের সাথে একটু আলোচনা করি। In these topics there are a lot of conjunctions. You will find out the conjunctions from the topics and write down in your notebook. Okay, what is conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. They join words or sentence. তোমরা জানো তো কনজাংশন মানে দুই অথবা দুই এর অধিক বাক্য অথবা ওয়ার্ডকে যুক্ত করে। That's our conjunctions. Here all of the conjunctions, so, but, or, for, because, and, nor, etc., those words are conjunctions. Okay, here I have given an example. They don't know where they are formed and or where they are heading towards. Here conjunctions are where, and another is and, or, and another is where. Those are conjunctions in the sentence. Okay, dear learners, now you find out the conjunctions or linkers from the text and write your own note tables. Okay, dear students, I have already discussed with you about the topics changes past tense, what type of past tense were existed in our previous time and now they are about to decline, and what is the necessity and what is the importance of the outdoor games and pastimes. Now here I have given you 5 questions. Now you try to answer of the questions. If you are unable to write the answers of the questions, I suggest you will read the passage again and find out the answers of the questions. Okay, যদি তোমরা এই আনসারগুলো করতে কারো একটু সমস্যা হয় তাহলে তোমরা পেজটা আবার পরে সেখান থেকে আনসারগুলো খুঁজে তারপর তোমরা লিখবে। ওকে, dear students, I am about to end of the lesson or of my class. Now I am giving you homework. Your homework is speak to a senior citizens in your speak to the senior citizens in your home or community. Ask them about their pastime activities and take notes on them. Then write a paragraph in this style to show the differences. Also mention why this change has taken place. Okay, have you understood? Okay, আচ্ছা আমি একটু বাংলাটা বলে দিই। তুমি তোমার এলাকার একজন এই সিনিয়র সিটিজেন্স মানে ওই যাদের বয়স মনে করো 40-45 এইরকম বয়স বা তার চেয়েও বেশি বা সামান্য কম, এরকম একজন নাগরিক বা কয়েকজন নাগরিকের সাথে তোমরা কথা বলবে। তোমার এলাকার নিকটাত্মীয় বা প্রতিবেশী যাই হোক তাদের সাথে একটু কথা বলে তাদেরকে জিজ্ঞাসা করবে যে আগের পাস্ট টাইমগুলো কি কি ছিল, এগুলো একটা নোট করবে যে তারা তাদের পাস্ট টাইম কিভাবে তারা কাটাইতো। এখন এগুলা পরিবর্তিত হয়ে কি কি হয়েছে এগুলো তোমরাই জানো, কারণ তোমরাই তো এখন আগের পাস্ট টাইমের সাথে যুক্ত না, নতুন পাস্ট টাইমস দখল করে আছে। এবং এগুলার প্রভাবটা কি তোমার মতে, এই সম্বন্ধে তুমি একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ লিখবে। ওকে, দ্যাট মিন্স দ্য পাস্ট টাইমস which were existence in the past, now they are replaced at present. Okay, you will write down taking information from the senior citizens. Okay, dear students, I hope you will do it very carefully and fruitfully with joyous. Okay, dear students, now I am about to end of my class. Ultimately, my suggestion is to you, you will do your homework properly, and when your school will be opened, you will show your homework to your teachers. Up to the end, you stay in front of your table of your reading room and read different type of your textbook. Prepare yourselves so that you can do well when your school will be opened. Okay. In the next class, I shall meet you with another topics. Please wait for enjoying my next class. Thank you very much. See you again. Allah Hafiz.